Hi friends, welcome to Uttarashrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today, I'm going to share a weight loss salad recipe with you all. We're going to make green papaya salad with peanut dressing. Let's get started. To make the salad, ingredients are 1 tomato, 1 cup shredded green papaya, half a cup shredded cucumber, half a cup shredded carrot, half a cup shredded raw mango, for dressing 2 tablespoons raw peanuts, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon jaggery. I'm using jaggery because this is a healthy recipe. You can substitute with regular sugar. One small green chili, 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt. This salt is enriched in minerals and good for salad. Cilantro for garnish. In a blender, add in peanuts, green chili, salt, lemon juice, jaggery, and 1/4 cup of water and blend it to a smooth paste. Peanut dressing is ready. This is a sweet, spicy, and a nutty flavored dressing. You can store this dressing in your refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. To prepare the salad, in a mixing bowl, add the salad ingredients one by one. Use a tongs to mix in the ingredients thoroughly. Add the freshly prepared salad dressing and mix it in thoroughly. Add finely chopped cilantro and mix it in. Healthy green papaya salad is ready for serving. Enjoy this dish. Thanks for watching. If you like my channel, like, share, comment, subscribe and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon.